In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if formula in Smartsheet. We'll start on the home page in Smartsheet. From here, you can either create something new like a project, program, or process, or open an existing sheet where you want to use the formula. If you see your item in the suggested section, click there. If not, switch to all workspaces to browse everything you have access to. To quickly narrow things down, use the filter control or the search bar at the top. Both are great for finding a specific workspace or sheet by name. Once you spot the one you need, click into the workspace, then open the sheet you want to edit. Inside the sheet, make sure you're in grid view so it's easy to work with rows and columns. Click into the cell where you want your result to appear. This will usually be in a dedicated column for status or priority. Now, start the formula by typing an equal sign and the word if. In Smartsheet, an if formula follows this pattern: if condition, value if true, value if false. As a simple example, let's say you want to label a row as high if a number is greater than 1, otherwise label it low. Click the cell or column you want to test as your condition. If you're evaluating the value in the current row, Smartsheet's @row reference is helpful. Your formula might look like this: if your number column at row 1, high, low. A couple of tips as you type. Put text outputs like high and low in quotation marks. Numbers don't need quotes. Also, make sure the column you're testing contains the right data type: numbers for numeric comparisons and dates for date comparisons. When your formula looks right, press enter or click apply in the formula helper. You should immediately see the result in the cell based on the row's data. If it shows an error, double check your column names, the comparison operator, and that text values are properly quoted. To use the same logic on other rows, drag the small fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell down through the rest of the column. Smartsheet will automatically adjust the references so each row evaluates its own data. Scan a few rows to confirm the behavior. Values greater than 1 should display high, everything else should display low. That's it. You've navigated to your sheet, built a clear if statement, applied it, and filled it down the column. This approach scales well and keeps your sheet consistent and easy to read.